Hello everyone, we are given this particular table where it is made out of mark price, selling price, and what is the discount. So it is pretty straightforward for part A. The discount that we are going to find is actually just the mark price minus away this actual selling price. So it's 125 minus 100. That will give me $25. That is the discount. And what is the discount? What is the percentage discount? So the discount percentage, okay, which is the discount over the mark price times 100%. And that will give me 20%. Come, let me bring it up. And so using this particular same idea, I can easily do for part B. I'm given the discount of $21. So for part B, $70 is the mark price, discount is 21. So what is the selling price? It's simply the mark price. I minus away the discount, so that is the price that I would get, which is the selling price, $49. And since I already have the discount, so the discount percentage is pretty straightforward now. $21 over $70, the mark price times 100%. Then I will know how much is the percentage. 30% discount. Okay, so selling price will be $49, 30%. Next question, part C. We are given, the discount, and we are given the mark price. So this one, there are quite a number of ways that we can approach this particular question. I'm going to find the discount first, because that is the straightforward. Since I already know 15%, which is 15 over 100 of the mark price. And this will give me $36. And so I will be able to get the selling price easily. Mark price minus the discount. Part D. We are given selling price and we are given the discount. So mark price is quite straightforward as well. Selling price, and I know the discount. So before this selling price, what would be the answer? $320. And once I have that, then I will be able to get my discount percentage. Okay, let me create some space. 64 over mark price of $320 times 100%. That will give me 20% discount. And we are more or less finishing already. Selling price. Now we are given selling price and the discount. Discount is 22%. So at this point, I just wish to highlight to you that it is very important to take note that mark price here represents 100%. And if I know the discount percentage, I will be able to know what percentage represents the selling price for part E. So come part E 351. First of all, for part E, the discount percentage, we have the mark price percentage minus away the discount percentage to give me 78%, and 78% represents the mark price, the selling price, sorry. And therefore I will be able to get, this will be 351 over 78. I must first find my mark price, which is 100%. So it's 351 over 70 times 100% times 100. This will give me $450. So mark price. So $450. And since we are at this, the discount is 22%. So it's 351 over 78 times 22. $99. So this will be my discount. Last but not least, we are given the discount and what is the percentage that is represented by it, 31%. So I'm going to find 100% again for my part F. Pretty straightforward. 31% represents $155. So I will have to find 1%, which is 155 over 31, and my 100%, which is the mark price. I will get $500, and this will be my mark price. You can represent your answer in this form as well. And let's go back to the table then. So I will have $500, and selling price is pretty straightforward then. So my selling price will be my mark price minus my discount. This will give me $345. And with that, let me fill up the table first. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please feel free to click on the subscribe button. Mr. Ryan Tan here, always happy to share with you how to solve math problems.